Hi, I'm Wyatt Hickman, and this is the weather phenomena of glory. So, the facts about glory is that it's a rainbow ring around an object obstructing the sun. Um, and the way this works is that when an object increases in elevation, the temperature decreases, and then the capacity for the air to hold the water decreases. So, this causes a thin layer of condensation around such objects, such as a plane or a hiker. And then when they obstruct the sun, the the radiation hits the water droplets around them and refracts into a circle of rainbow around their shadow. It's also known as the pilot's halo because a lot of times with planes, it's the most common way to see a glory, and it's the sight of it is similar to an eclipse corona. In the discovery of it in the mid 17th century, a group of French scientists were hiking in the Alps, and one person saw their own glory and thought it was a sign from God and started a church on the same mountain. Um, then in the early 1900s, a German scientist named Gustav May tried to explain why these formed and came up that it reflect the whole refraction theory. And then NASA in the 1980s used glories to research tunneling, where the sun fills the droplet with electromagnetic radiation, and then the droplet has a certain capacity for the radiation. So when it reaches its capacity, it actually bursts and creates this circle of rainbow. So how can you see one? Not to brag, but it's worth 30 points in the Cloud Spotters guidebook. Um, so you go to a high altitude and you gotta work up a sweat. You gotta do it quickly, and you have to go to a place where the sun is on your back and there's a light mist or clouds beneath you. Or next time you get on a plane, you look out the window and look down and hope that you can see a glory. I'm Wyatt Hickman, and that's it.